Imagine if every note you've ever taken could talk to each other, revealing hidden connections and insights you never knew existed. That's exactly what happens when you unlock the power of Logseq's knowledge graph. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by scattered notes, forgotten brilliant ideas, or struggled to see how different concepts connect in your research or learning, you're about to discover a game-changing approach to knowledge management. Logseq isn't just another note-taking app, it's a thinking tool that mirrors how your brain actually works, creating a web of interconnected thoughts that grows smarter over time. Unlike traditional note-taking apps that store information in isolated folders and files, Logseq treats every piece of information as a node in an ever-expanding network. Think of it like building a digital brain where each thought, idea, or piece of information can link to any other, creating pathways of knowledge that reveal themselves as you explore. The magic starts with bidirectional linking. When you mention a concept, person, or topic in any note, Logseq automatically creates connections. Let's say you're researching artificial intelligence and you mentioned machine learning in several different notes. Logseq doesn't just file these away separately, it understands that these mentions are related and creates a web of connections. You can instantly see every context where machine learning appears, from your morning research notes to that late-night brainstorming session from 3 weeks ago. But here's where it gets really powerful. The knowledge graph isn't just about finding what you've already written, it's about discovering what you didn't know you knew. Those connections start revealing patterns, gaps in your thinking, and unexpected relationships between ideas. You might discover that your notes on psychology, your business strategy thoughts, and your hobby research all share common themes you never consciously recognized. The visual graph view is like having X-ray vision for your thoughts. You can literally see your knowledge as a living, breathing network of interconnected ideas. Some nodes become major hubs with dozens of connections, revealing the central themes in your thinking. Others might be isolated islands, showing you areas where you might want to develop more connections or explore further. What makes Logseq particularly brilliant is its block-based structure. Instead of thinking in terms of documents or pages, everything is built from blocks, individual units of thought that can be linked, referenced, and reused anywhere. This means a single insight from your morning journal can be referenced in your project notes, your learning materials, and your creative writing, all while maintaining its connection to the original context. The Daily Notes feature acts as your knowledge inbox, capturing fleeting thoughts and observations that automatically become part of your larger knowledge web. That random idea you had while waiting for coffee doesn't disappear into a forgotten note, it becomes part of your searchable, linkable knowledge base. Over time, these daily captures create a rich timeline of your thinking that you can navigate and explore. Logseq also supports what's called queries, essentially asking your knowledge base questions and getting dynamic answers. You can ask to see all your unfinished thoughts about a project, or all the books mentioned across your entire knowledge base, or every insight you've had about a particular problem. Your notes become a database you can interrogate and explore. The beauty of this system becomes most apparent over time. As your knowledge graph grows, it develops its own intelligence. Serendipitous discoveries become common, you'll find yourself stumbling upon forgotten insights that are suddenly relevant to current problems, or discovering that seemingly unrelated areas of your life actually share deep connections. For students, this means transforming scattered study notes into an interconnected understanding where concepts from different courses illuminate each other. For researchers, it means never losing track of how different studies, theories, and observations relate. For creative professionals, it means building a web of inspiration where ideas from different projects cross-pollinate and evolve. The privacy-first approach means your knowledge graph lives on your device, not in some company's cloud servers. Your thoughts remain truly yours, while still giving you the power to sync across devices when you need it. Logseq's knowledge graph isn't just changing how we take notes, it's changing how we think, learn, and connect ideas. It's turning the simple act of writing things down into building a second brain that gets smarter with every thought you add. Ready to see your thoughts in a whole new way? Subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that are reshaping how we work with information and ideas.